Today we have got hold of the Nilson windscreen wiper cutter system. Really cheap, cost about £5, about $8, I think that might be. And it's quite good because instead of throwing away your old wiper blades, you can now shave them down so they're brand new. And this is how you do it. Now, in the past we made videos on the Euro wiper cutter blade system. I've also done a video on the little black box you get for your windscreen wipers that you stick it on and you like shave it down because it's got a little bit of sandpaper in it and you got to shave them down. But that's rubbish. Don't use that one because you get uneven wear on that. This one is absolutely brilliant because I've done it already on this. This is my rear screen wiper blade. You cut off a bit and it takes off that much off your windscreen wiper blade, so it makes it brand new. So you don't have to go around buying new windscreen wiper blades when you can just do this. Now I'm going to show you how you do it right before your very eyes. Now with this one, the Nilson one, it's quite good because you can do it twice. It's got 1 and 2 on there. Number 1's that side, number 2's that side. And that is for letting you know that when you want to do it the second time, you use number 2. And that's all it is, that little blade inside of it. It goes in there. I don't even get new blades for that. I don't know, I ain't got that far yet. But find number 1 slot, find the groove. It's like a little triangle shape. And it fits in there nice and easy. It's got to fit in properly, mind, to get the right cut. And all we're doing is a little bit of strength. Is cutting a new windscreen wiper blade. Look at that, let. So we're cutting along. This one's a little bit easier. And you can do that, let. And it's cutting along. See that? Beautiful. This is definitely the easiest system I've had that I've worked on. Now the problem is, this is a cheap wiper blade. It cost me about a couple of quid. This is a Bosch one, which is good, and it worked nice and easy with that. Now as you can see, me doing that right then, that has caused, I don't know if your camera can pick it up, but it's jagged. You can just about see it there. That is going to be no good now to use. So if that does happen on your cheap wiper blades, you shouldn't be buying cheap wiper blades this day and age. But you can put it back in on the number 2 setting, which is obviously going to be a deeper cut. We'll try again. Yeah, this time that has done a much better job. Almost. Sort of come out there, so we'll turn it round. Try it again. This side, put in number 2. Got to make sure we get it in the slot right, like that. Try again, there we go, look. So that time you can see it's taken away quite a lot of the wiper, but now it's no jagged edge, it's nice and straight, and that is because it is a cheap windscreen wiper. You really are better off going for a Bosch job. I did that first time. I thought I did that before I pressed record on the video, and that did work first time. Better rubber to use on the Bosch wiper blades, but that is how you use it. You've got to make sure that you get right in the groove. As you can see, it's got a special little pattern that all windscreen wipers have got. You make sure it goes in there. Do it right all the way along, obviously, nice and smoothly, and you won't get that jagged edge. If you do, then just go straight to number 2 and stop buying crap wiper blades. And that is today's windscreen cutter system. Oh yeah, it does give you a sponge as well. And that is meant to be done before and after, which I didn't actually do. So perhaps that might have helped. I don't know, but you can see the crap it gets off of it. But yeah, there it is. Let's give that a go. Boom.